Hi, I'm Krystn Torres, and I'm going to be talking about scientists. So, way back when, there's a scientist, or a Greek philosopher actually, and his name was Democritus. And Democritus was born in 400 BC in a town called Abdera, Greece. And basically, Democritus did was he came up with the atomic theory. He said that he said that the entire universe was made up of atoms, and that all matter was made up of atoms. And he also said that atoms did not have the same shape or the same size, and they also did not have the same movement as another atom did. They were all different. He also said that changes in matter did not occur from. He said that changes in matter did not occur from the atom itself changing, but rather from the grouping of the atoms. This was Aristotle, and that his time was 3 BC, and basically he rejected Democritus's theory. He said he disagreed with the nothingness of empty space in the atom theory. So he agreed with the world being made out of atoms, but he did not agree with the nothingness of the universe. Okay, so moving on. In 1808, there was a English school teacher named John Dalton. John Dalton basically added on to Democritus' atomic theory, and John Dalton basically had the idea of everything, but he did have like a few flaws. For example, he said that atoms were identical in size and mass, but atoms of a certain element have an average which is unique to that element. So he kind of had that, but then again he was wrong still. He also said that atoms can't be divided, created, or destroyed, but we learned that it's true in ordinary chemical reactions, but it can occur in nuclear chemical reactions. In 1869, there was a scientist named Dmitri Mendeleev, and he came up with the first periodic table. He had the periodic table arranged by incretion of atomic mass, which is obviously very different from how we have ours arranged today. But he did come up with the very first periodic table, so that's cool. That's why he's famous. So in 1890, there is a scientist named J.J. Thomson, and he conducted the cathode ray tube experiment. That's a long one. Anyways, he discovered that Dalton's theory was flawed, that he said that atoms could be divided, which is true, they can be. He also came up with the plum pudding model, which is basically, looks like this giant like cookie. So here, this is what it looks like. Looks like that right there. And these little dots, they are the negative electrons, and then this part right here, the pudding part of it, would be the positive pudding. In 1909, there was a guy named Robert Millikan, and he conducted the oil drop experiment. He determined the charge and mass of an electron. He determined the mass of an electron was 9.109 times 10 to the negative 31st power kg. In 1989, there was this woman at a school in Paris. Her name was Marie Curie, and she discovered radioactivity, as well as her discoverance of the two elements polonium and radium. And she also ended up passing or dying because she had excessive exposure to radioactivity, which of course at the time people did not know could kill you, because she had just discovered it, so no one was aware of this fact. But okay, so the sun is going down, so I have to wrap this up because I'm losing my lighting. So the last scientist I'm going to talk about is Henry Moseley, and he discovered that each element had a different atomic number. The atomic number was equal to the number of protons that the element had, and he rearranged the periodic table from the previous one that they had made, that was made by, I think it was made by Mendeleev. Yep, that was made by Dmitri Mendeleev. So he rearranged it to be the current one that we use today, which is arranged by the atomic number. Yep. Okay, so thanks for watching. This has been a great time. My lighting's going away. I'm tired. I need to edit this video and post it because it's due tonight. Okay. We're gonna try this. Oh, that's good. But it's like not perfect, so we gotta fix you because that wasn't right. We can't have that happen because then science won't make any sense. Science does. I can't tell if I'm dark or if I'm tan or if I'm actually white and the shirt's just really helping.